Hi everybody, in this video we're going to still be continuing with unit conversions, but now we're looking at two-step unit conversions. Two-step unit conversions meaning that we're looking to, it's going to have two conversion factors in the problem. There's going to be two conversion factors in the problem. So let's start off here. Make sure before you do this, you do go back and you read over the notes, or you watch the video on the notes. Make sure you copy down your own notes. So again, we're going to start, I don't want a highlighter, I want a pen. We're going to call this A. I want you to see if you can solve this one on your own. See if you can solve this one on your own. So what we're going to start with is start with what we know. We know we have 300,002 milligrams, and we're going to put it over 1. Now, we want to go from milligrams to kilograms. And when we look up here at mass, we can go milligrams to grams and grams to kilograms, but we can't go straight from milligrams to kilograms. So what we're going to be doing is converting milligrams into grams and then grams into kilograms. That's how you've got to look at it. I know I can go milligrams to grams, well, then I know I can go over to kilograms. That's the path you have to find. When you're working with two-step unit conversions, you have to find a path. So there's milligrams in the numerator right there. So we're going to put milligrams in the denominator here. If we look up here at the conversion factors, we see 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. And we said we're going to go to grams. So you get 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. Milligrams cancel, we're left with grams, but that's not what we wanted. We wanted kilograms. I apologize, my screen's bouncing all over the place. So we're going to multiply by another conversion factor. And now we have grams in the numerator, we need grams in the denominator. And if we look at the other part of the conversion factor, we can see grams goes to kilograms. And 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. The grams now cancel. We are now left with kilograms. We're good. We don't need to have any more conversion factors. So we get 300,000, and whoop, too many zeros there. And 2, all divided by 1,000 times 1,000 equals, after with rounding, 0.30 kilograms is what we're going to go with. It comes out to a lot of decimal places, so we're going to put this here with rounding it at the 100th place, and that's going to be our final answer, is 0.30 kilograms. Let's move on to B. At this time, please go through and try to solve B. Try to solve B. So with B, we're going to start with what we know. We know we have 0.5 meters. We want to go to millimeters. So, but when we look up here, we see, well, there's actually two things. This could be a one-step or a two-step. If you look at this one here, it's going to be a one-step. If you don't look at that one, it's going to be a two-step where we look at meters to centimeters, and then centimeters to millimeters. So let's do the one step first, just so you can see what I mean. Meters in the numerator, meters in the denominator, and we have 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters equals 0.45 times 1,000 over 1 equals 450 millimeters. The other way you could have done this is the two-step is done 0.45 meters over 1. Then you get 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. and you still come up with the same exact answer. Just one is two-step, one is going to be a one-step. So let's move on to letter C. Go through and try to solve this unit conversion now. For this unit conversion, what we're going to do is start with what we know. Put it over 1. Now that centimeters cubed is a unit of volume. When we look at volume, we can see I can go centimeters cubed to milliliters, but not straight to liters. But we can go centimeters cubed into milliliters and then milliliters into liters. So that's what we're going to do. Centimeters cubed into milliliters and then milliliters into liters. So there's a centimeters cubed in the numerator. We need it in the denominator. And when we look right here for centimeters into millimeters, 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter. Centimeters cubed cancel, left with milliliters. Now, when we look back at our conversion factors, we know 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Equals 7.34 divided by 1,000 equals 0.00734 liters. That would be our final answer here. Let's go on to the final one here. We're going down to the final one. Please solve D at this time. Well, when we go through this, we start with what we know. And when we go up to time, we can turn days into hours, and then we can turn hours into minutes. So we're going to go days into hours, and hours into minutes. So 1 day equals 24 hours. And then 1 hour, 60 minutes. Days cancel, hours cancel. We're left with minutes. We're good there. So we get 47.9 times 24 times 60 all over 1, which then equals 68976 minutes. That would be our final answer. So all of these are two-step unit conversions. And again, the reason that they are two-step is because we have 1, 2 conversion factors. 1, 2 conversion factors. 1, 2 conversion factors. 1, 2 conversion factors. Hopefully this video helps you out. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a wonderful day, everybody.